Hey, welcome back. In the previous video, we tried to execute this code, but we got this error. Now, I want to explain you why you got this error and how to fix it. So the entire error is the one in red and also blue here. But what's important for you to read is only the last line. So let's read the last line and try to understand what it means. So it says module not found error, no module named pandas. And if you look at your code, you'll see import pandas here. So what is pandas? Pandas is a module. OS is also a module, right? And we import these modules. And think of modules as extensions. So these are Python extensions. But some extensions, such as OS, come installed with Python. However, other extensions, such as pandas, need to be installed separately. So to install now this module, this extension, you need to go to Tools and then go to Manage Packages. And then you want to search for pandas. So type in pandas, go to this button, search on PyPy, and then you want to locate the extension which has the exact name with what the error is explaining here. So you see it's pandas. So that's a pandas extension, this one here. It's not pandas 2, it's not pandas 3, pandas alchemy or anything else, but it's pandas. So you want to click on that. And you should see this more or less, and you'll see this button. So you want to click on the install button. And the installation process will start. So pandas is being installed. You'll know it finished installing when this button here changes to something else. You'll see in just a bit. So there we go. Now we see this upgrade button. So the install button is not here anymore. That means pandas was installed. So you can press on close. And now we're ready to run the program again. But be aware that again we'll get another error. So there we go. This time, again, you want to read the last line of the error. Don't worry about the other lines. So you don't need to know these, right? Only read the last error. So this time we have an import error. Missing optional dependency, OpenPyXL. Now, OpenPyXL is known as a dependency. So when you get this type of error, missing optional dependency, you know that you're missing a dependency. And when you get the previous error, which was something like module was not found, you know that you are missing a module. So in both cases, the good news is that you can install these. So again, you want to copy this OpenPyXL, go to Tools, Manage Packages, paste the name of that dependency there with Ctrl V, search on PyPy, go to that OpenPyXL, so make sure to reflect the exact name. Usually you'll see those in bold, the actual result in bold. So click there, click on install. So it was installed on my computer. I'll press on close and then run the script again. This time we have a module missing, XLSX So again, you want to repeat the process. So this happens when you are working with proprietary file extensions such as Excel, for example. You need some dependencies. Usually you'll not need those dependencies with things like text files or CSV files. So let's install this also. Manage packages, paste that there, XLSX writer, search on the repository. So that's the module. Press on install, press on close, and let's run again. Right, now this may look like an error, but it's not an error actually. So this is just some information. That means we're now ready to see the XLX files, how they have been updated. So for that, you want to go to your Windows Explorer, open one of the files, and yeah, there we go. We have a new column, annual salary, which is 12,000. So 1,000 times 12, we get 12,000. Same for this, 2,000 times 12, we get 24,000. And that's the case for all the other Excel files. So there we go. For this one as well. So it's working. And so this was a good lecture on showing you how to install modules and dependencies. So if you get some red things here, don't panic, try to read the last line. So if it says a module is missing or a dependency is missing, then you want to copy the name of that module or dependency, go to Tools, Manage Packages, paste it, install it, run again until it works. Sometimes you may get some warnings like this one here, but don't worry, that's just a warning for the future. So that was about how to process Excel files. Let's move on with more videos. See you.